Why pay more or worse, ruin your very first flight because nobody told you the rules? Every year, millions of first-time flyers make the same costly mistakes. Overpaid tickets, missed check-ins, bags confiscated, and seats they never wanted. I will give you the 7 things I wish I knew before flying for the first time, so your experience is smooth and cheap. Flying for the first time does not have to be overwhelming, but the mistakes often happen before you even reach the airport, starting with how you book your ticket. Mistake number 1, booking directly on Google Flights and thinking you found the best price. Google Flights shows prices, but it does not compare every airline, so deals can be hidden. First-time flyers often overpay by $50 to $200 because they checked only one source. The fix is to always compare across multiple platforms before clicking buy. Mistake number 2, assuming your ticket price includes a checked bag. Budget fares can look cheap until checked bag and carry-on fees double your cost. Before you book, always check the baggage policy and pack smart to save $30 to $80 per flight. Mistake number 3, underestimating how long the airport actually takes. Security lines, passport checks, and terminal transfers add up fast, so arrive early. For domestic flights, arrive at least 2 hours early, and for international, 3 hours minimum. If you miss your first flight, rebooking fees will cost far more than the ticket itself. Before we continue, this is why we built the Cheap Flights Finder app to connect you to deals across 800 airlines and agencies. Mistake number 4, buying non-refundable tickets without reading the fine print. Basic economy often means no seat selection, no changes, and no refunds, so spend a few dollars more for flexibility. Mistake number 5, packing liquids incorrectly and losing expensive items at security. Remember the 311 rule. Any liquid over 100 milliliters in carry-on gets confiscated. Mistake number 6, skipping seat selection to save a few dollars and ending up in a bad spot. Paying $8 to $15 for seat selection up front can save hours of discomfort on long flights. Mistake number 7, waiting too long or booking too early and missing the sweet spot for prices. The sweet spot for domestic flights is 3 to 6 weeks and for international 2 to 4 months out. Book inside the right window and use Cheap Flights Finder to lock in the right price for your next escape is just around the corner and at the right price. Flying for the first time should be exciting, not stressful and not expensive. Avoid these 7 mistakes, use the right tools, and you'll land looking like a seasoned traveler. Find the best deals on flights, hotels, and rental cars. Link in bio, and I'll see you on your next flight.